Hey everyone, I'm going to be installing the BXPANDED 6-inch trenching bucket today. Thought I'd take some measurements to see. It's actually 6 inches and 1/8 outside to outside. About 5 3/8 inside pocket. Now I didn't know at the time when I bought this, it's got a interchangeable edge on it. You can have the tooth one, or you can take the bolts out, flip it over, and you've got a straight edge that you can put on the outside. Very cool. Alright, let's pull these retaining bolts out. I thought these would be metric, but actually standard fits better. So 9/16. I think it's interesting that the same machine had different pitches of threads and different bolts. Not sure why they did it this way, but the fine thread come out of the lower pin. It's always hard for me to try to do something like this by myself, so we'll see if I can do this with the car jack. And when the bucket came off, there were these shims that fell out of it. They're just washers. I'll have to get the dirt off of that in a minute. Now, you don't always have these, and you don't always need them. It depends on the fitment, the way they were manufactured, and how it all fit together. And you know, if there's a gap, you can put it back in. If not, you'll be okay without it. That was a very tight fit, so I didn't end up putting the shims back in. I'll throw those in my toolbox in case I need them later. Well, I managed to get it on there. I can see the appeal of getting the BXPANDED quick attach system. That would be really nice. I spent about 30-40 minutes doing this job. As you can see, there's no interference with hitting the boom the way it is. It hits the thumb, but that's okay. I wanted to keep the thumb on there. I find it to be quite handy. Now for today, it's been raining and it's too muddy to put this in the dirt, so I'll save that for a future video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.